Enterprise Management 360.
So I'm joined now by Mikelis. Thank you very much for taking the time to talk to me today. Obviously, the big thing this year is video interfacing, and that's what we're talking about. So how can Catchbox really integrate with this? What's the new plan going forward?
Well, we built the product specifically for video conferencing and video collaboration. So whenever there's use of Catchbox, you can integrate the product or Catchbox Plus product with any DSP or mixer board, or even straight to the video conferencing computer. So we provide all the ways to, from the digital to audio, analog ways to connect the computer. And it's kind of want to touch upon the fact that we can very easily also integrate the product into the workflow. I would say, right? Yeah. So it's just very easy to use. You simply pick it up from the charging base that we have right here, and throw it in the audience and get the conversation going.
What's kind of been the response of the video conferencing element? What are people mainly looking for that you found?
I mean, first of all, this was kind of brought to us by a user base. They were figuring out themselves, hey, this is a microphone we could use actually for capturing the audience into the video feed. I think there's certain applications, especially when it comes to all hands and communicating with the remote offices, that this is almost like a must-have, because there just needs to be a microphone, and then there's a big crowd. So right on the border of those two kind of applications lies Catchbox offering.
Yeah, you're right. You want to bring everyone into the conversation when you're having these talks, because waiting for a microphone can be a bit of an adult process, can't it? So when we're talking about this and innovation being such an important element, what kind of things are we hoping to see in the future for interactive communications?
Definitely the trend is to a merger of different pieces of hardware in one, or in several units, as well as a good aesthetical look. And I think more and more important aspect for the companies and organizations becomes the branding, or maybe in the broader scheme of things, it's kind of a culture that they want to promote. It's one of the things is the discussion culture, but also maybe the visual identity of the space they're in, or just the way they're doing things. So I think that the products that will support that kind of culture are, I think, just going to be more and more prominent. Cool.
Excellent. Perfect. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us and kind of walking us through this whole element.
All right. Thank you.